Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to recognize the right and wrong side of your crochet work, which is especially important for amigurumi. This will help ensure your project look neat and professional. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. In crochet, the right side is the front of your work and the wrong side is the back. It is important to keep your amigurumi project looking consistent and professional. First, let's look at the right side. The right side of single crochet stitches has neat V shapes. The fabric looks smooth and uniform. This is the side you typically want facing out on your amigurumi projects. Now let's look at the wrong side. The wrong side has more horizontal bars. It's not as smooth and the V shapes aren't as defined. This side usually faces inward on your amigurumi. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.